It's so dark here. What's that? Phew, just a toy. Oh, I better sit down. Oh my. Huh? Who's there? Darn, I'm scared. Huh? Ah! Oh my. It was just a dream. Stop sleeping. We've got a test. Get to it. What? The test is today?
That's right. Start.
Darn. I think it's time to move fast. Whoa! What was that? Sorry. Let me put this away for a bit. And here are the answers. Cool.
Whoa! Where did that wind come from?
That's it. I'm back. What? Look, I got all the answers. Wow, thanks. But how does she even do that? Jeez, Kylie scares me. Could she really be a vampire? Let's see. She suddenly got super speed. That's so weird. Oh, right. Halloween treats are ready. Not bad. All spooky themed. Just need to label the goodies with these posters. Like this. Add a few more. And done. Guys, come here. Want some punch? Whoa, sure. Just a sec. I'll add a few eyeballs. Oh, yeah. Ew, that looks creepy. That's the point. Here you go.
Wow. Thanks.
Not bad. Hey. Whoa, that punch looks amazing. Can I have some? Okay. Thanks. Let's try it. Oh. You okay? Yuck! Nasty! I think this blood tube's more my taste. Delicious. Oh my gosh! What's she doing? Now she's drinking blood. I need to write this down. Oh my gosh, this can't be happening. Finally, lunchtime. What are you drinking? Just tomato juice. Well, okay. Time for my lunch. And here are my sticks. Huh? Like it? No! Why did you freak out? I, just don't like wooden sticks. How about a cupcake then? Sure. Tasty. How about a donut? Okay. Oh yeah, yum. Something's not right. I know. Time for a garlic check. You can't fool me. Let's rub garlic on the pizza. It's so healthy. Ew, what stinks? Gross. There, all done. Smells amazing. Take a bite of pizza. Go on, do it. Get that thing away from me. I'm allergic to garlic. Yeah, right. Whoa, so bright. Kinda hot in here. What's up with her skin? Oh no, cursed sun. Sorry, gotta run. This is all so weird. Kylie, where are you? Where did she go? What's with this weird locker? What could be dangerous about it? So weird. Fine. Just one peek. Oh my gosh. Oh no! Gotta hide!
Who dares disturb my sleep? you're here, I smell your blood. Darn! I'll find you anyway. Come on, show yourself. Got you! Darn! You can't hide forever.
Oh!
There you are!
Don't eat me, please! I'm begging you!
Fine, whatever.
Oh, that's it? You okay? I guess. Alright, let's go. Ready to learn? Okay, just grabbing my books. Done! Let's go! Oh, time for some fun. Whoa! Ouch! My head! Nerds. That girl always picks on me. Aww. Really? What are you staring at? Nothing. Oh, I've got an idea. Time for a little magic. Just like that. Is that a flying chip can? Huh? What the heck? Oh no! I'm covered in crumbs! Gross! Somebody help! Looks like somebody got what she deserved. That was awesome, but also weird. Okay, time to add another note to my evidence book. Kylie's got telekinesis. I saw it with my own eyes. So yeah, investigation continues. I'll drop my backpack in the locker. And also check my look. Oh yeah, not bad at all. Hey, what's up? Hey. All good. Nice. See you later. Darn, was I imagining things? Or… should I take this book? Oh no! Mommy! What was that? You okay? This can't be real!
Oh, it can.
I gotta write this down, fast! Kylie's not in the mirror, and that's so scary! No doubt left. She's definitely a vampire. What do I do? Maybe I need holy water? Creepy. She's asking me to come to school. Guess it's time to deal with this. Anyone here? Oh my gosh! Ugh, these toys are so annoying. Ah!
I've been waiting for you!
Hey, remember how you didn't want to eat me?
I changed my mind! Whoa-ha-ha-ha-ha!
Help! What's going on here? Huh? Back off my friend!
Make me!
I'll teach you a lesson! Oh my gosh. What happened? Looks like Kylie's on my side. Yay! That's it! I'm done with you!
You'll pay for this! Say goodbye!
Oh no! My heart!
Shouldn't have messed with me.
Should have practiced your aim. You're finished!
Oh no! I can't breathe! Stop! Please!
Don't mess with my friends. Aww. Hey, you okay? Darn, I'll have to turn you to save you. Oh, what was that? I feel way better. Oh yeah. You look awesome. Damn right I do. Welcome to the dark side, girl. Whoa!
They look so cool. You could've just let me bite her.
Cool! Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the newest, coolest vids. See ya!